Okay, today we are going to review this here. DJI Inspire 1 OSMO, OSMO Plus, polarpro filters, and I have them open already. Let's check that out. Comes with a cleaning towel here, that's fine, and then in this little nice box, open this here like this, and there's 3 filters in there. As you can see here, ND16, 8 and circular polarizer. The circular polarizer, that's the one I would like to take a quick look at. The makeup, the shape of them is the same in all of them, except the circular polarizer. There's like this little thing in here where you can twist it here. That's how circular polarizer usually work. Now let me check out the camera here. Let's turn this around this way. So if we do this, we can see very good the lens. I'm going to zoom into this all the way so that we can see more detail here. Alright, ready? So this can't get any closer here. So first of all, we're going to remove the original lens. See that? Put that to the side. We can see the thread here. There's screws down here. You probably can open this thing up. And now we take the circular polarizer and we see that there is this little movable part here. Now if we screw this on, you see this is not the same as this here, right? So it doesn't end up being flush here. You can still see the screws, and then you can see, and you turn your polarizer up here. Now if you want to remove this again, and this is a little tight, then you can't really get in there with your fingers to unscrew this. You see? If it's a little too tight on there. See? I'm moving this, but the thread is not moving. And now how do you get it off? So this is a little easier with the other filters, because there, turn the whole thing in. But you still have this gap here where you can see the screws. So even though it fits on there, as you can see here, it fits, the thread fits, physically it fits on there. It's not a perfect match here. It's not the same as this ring here. So I don't know. You should know this before you buy it. Other than that, the filters filter